Hi everybody, Hugo here. Welcome to my channel. On this episode, we're gonna be working on this guy. I got some parts in the mail yesterday, and today we're gonna put it on this one. If you wanna know what I'm talking about, please subscribe and stay tuned. All right, here we go. Here we go again. Okay guys, let me explain what I have to do to take this body out of the frame. The first thing I have to do, I have to unplug the battery, and then I have some screws from the plastic to the frame, attach it to the metal with the Raptor logo in it. And the last thing was the gas tank, who is attached to the frame. So now the body is ready to come out. I was thinking to remove the bar, but it's not really my way, so let's do it. Okay, we got it done, and this is how my frame looks like. So I got my battery. My original plan was to put my gas tank in here, but in the last I'll leave it in the back of the truck. I like it that way. Okay guys, I don't think it's fair to keep you waiting, so I'm gonna show you what I got. So we got here, I got these ones because I want to make it higher. You see, it's like 2 inches higher, so it's gonna make a big difference. So that's one of the things I'm gonna replace. And the other one, I don't have to tell you what it is. So okay guys, it's kind of cold outside, so I have to come in and warm up for a little bit. But I want to show you a couple things I got in the mail too. It's small stuff, but it's gonna make a difference. So I got a pulse pump, and I got a carburetor. So I'm gonna be installing these guys in the next video. Let's go outside and keep working in the truck. Okay guys, I don't think I have enough time to finish replacing the clutch, but we can replace these guys, so let's do it. Here we go. Okay guys, I was fighting with this thing, trying to make it fit, and I just realized that the chain pulled, so I have to take the chain out and be ready to go. Check it out guys, big difference. Let me show you. So it went about 2 inches, and the difference is these ones are very how you say, stiff, and these ones are really not really soft, but I can feel it now, so that's a good thing. Okay guys, this is it for this episode. Thank you for watching. In the next episode we're gonna be installing the torque converter, so please subscribe and stay tuned. See you next time.
Thank you.